How's it going, guys? Got my 1990 R32 GTS4 here. I'm going to look at swapping in some BC racing coilovers in there. So this here is what you get in the kit. You get a bit of instruction for installation, you get a bit of a sticker, you get your spanners for adjusting, and you get your 4 adjustable coilovers. So for GTRs and GTS4s, you get the fork style for the rear. So that is specific for the four-wheel drive application, Skyline R32s, and then you got the front load joint ones. So we've got the tyre off here, looking at the back end. So we've got 2 main points here, which is here where the fork comes down into, and then up the top here, you go up. And mine is just sitting in place, and then this here is your 2 mounting bolts for the top of your shock, undo those, and then that should loosen it up to be able to drop out and down and out. So we'll give it a go, eh? This one here in place, which comes out, and then sort of wiggle it out of place, it drops down and up. Alright, now we've got it sitting in there. We're just got to get, I've got the bottom fork here, just the bolt slid in. Now I've got to try to get these lined up here in the top. So this here, you can swivel the top individually from the shock itself. And I've just got a jack which is underneath my hub to help bring it up to meet the holes. Alright, that's the rear one's fitted. Now I'll move into the front. We've got a few bolts to look at. So that's the old 10s in there. I've just taken off these 2 bolts here, which also hold the strut brace in place. You come down here, the chain's there, and just this one bolt here, and that should just wiggle out like that. It's free, ready to put the next one in. Alright, and that's installed. So I had to put this bottom bolt on first because it's got a bit of a bigger gap on one side. It allows it to push it away from the rest of the structure so it's not hitting. And then sort of had to push it up and jack it up into position there so I could get the bolts up and through and connect them up. So yeah, that there is installed now. Now it's just got to go do the other side and see how the heights sit. Alright, so here she is on the BC Golds. Still running a little low on the front, but she is a bit firmer and feels a bit better in the 10s. So see how she goes. Ew.